Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Rohitech. Friends, this is a new gaming monitor which coming from LG. So let's take a look.
Just let me be.
LG introduced this UltraGear 48GQ900 monitor in March and waited until May before announcing its UltraGear 32GQ850 model without providing a release date. But they confirmed that the monitor will launch in Eurozone for some reasons. Its actual price is mentioned on its official websites. As you seen on the screen, let's jump to the specifications and features which comes with this 48 UltraGear OLED monitor. This LG's 48GQ900 model have 4K UHD OLED display, which is an anti-glare and low reflection ultra-large game-changing panel for immersive gaming experience with 3840x2160 resolutions, as well as the 98% of DCI-P3 for the stunning colors and saturation. Extreme contrast for the win with higher contrast ratio, as you seen on the screen. Anti-glare and low reflection helps you to stay focused on the game without worrying about missing the enemy movements from the light reflections. 0.0 ms of Gtg Response Time, which gives you a smoother movements and surreal visual fluidity. The Gtg Response Time is a time that reduces reverse ghosting and helps object rendering clearly. 120Hz to 138Hz refresh rate will never compromise while finding the enemy too faster. This refresh rate also smoothly represents the motion of moving objects on the screen. In this LG 48GQ model, the technology is focused on the fluid gaming and also with gamer-centric design, which is a build for battle station. And second one main thing is audio and sound experience. I love that sound which is coming with LG technologies. These monitor have 3D DTSheadphoneX audio support. The headphone port is given in downside, which provide the accurate spatialization and localization. Multi-layer connectivity ports is given for multiple connectivity, and also with UltraGear remote control to control your play. It supports the channel based audio, sense based audio, and as well as the object based audio with powerful 20 watts of dual stereo speakers. With keeping eyes on your gaming desire, LG introduced this new gaming monitor only for overpower gamers. It also gives many features for gamers like dynamic action SYNC, NVIDIA G-SYNC compatibility, AMD FreeSync premium, black stabilizer, crosshair, FPS counter, enhanced gaming UI to adjust FPS or RTC mode and optimize the setting for your own hand customization experience. And last one is UHD Ultra Geared OLED next generational 4K display panel and many features. This monitor will soon be available in India as well. But this is not a perfect monitor for your office. If you are thinking to buy this monitor for your office, so it is a wrong choice. I already told you this monitor is only designed for the heavy gamers. I think Libero monitor is the best choice for official use. Anyway, if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the regular notifications of this types video. For more details about this device, go to the description. We meet again in another interesting video with another interesting topic like this.